how to crop the background of a photo in Google Photos. Before this, just you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. Now open the Google Photos app. We are going to know that how to edit or how to crop the background of a photo in Google Photos. This feature can also be applied on Android as well as on iPhone. Firstly, you have to select any of the photo which you want to change their background. Like I am going to select this photo. You can see here there is an option of edit. Click on the edit and you can see here there is an option of crop. Just you have to click on it and crop the background of a photo and click on the save icon. In this way, that cropped photo will be saved in your Google Photos. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you can see here you can always undo these changes, save as a copy. We can see that save is as a copy here. In this way, that will be saved, that cropped photo will be saved in your Google Photos. You can see two photos, one is being cropped and the other is as simple photo. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.